Alright guys, trade recap on how I lost $2,124.67 today trading in NASDAQ this morning. So let's get into it. So this is the trade I took right here. This 2-minute inversion. Bada bang, bada boom. It's targeting all-time highs. As you can see, got absolutely smoked. I got stopped out pretty quickly here. So why did this fail? Well, first of all, coming into the day, I was very clearly bullish. If we bring this into replay mode, very clearly bullish. Where the heck's my line? Okay, very clearly bullish. We have all-time highs right here. I mean, there's no reason not to be bullish. So yeah, and then market open. We see prices rip up. Where's market open, bruh? Market open, prices rips up. So at this point, I'm just waiting for this 15-minute get filled, and then a long up out of it. So we get this 15-minute get filled. It actually comes pretty low. Almost inverse it, taps into this discounted 15-minute. Then we also tap into this discounted 30-minute. So at this point, I'm still bullish. We do have this LRL below too, which is some people say this is why this failed. I don't think this is why this failed, because I think when we're all-time highs, like this is gonna get taken out eventually. But like, bro, we're all-time highs. We're just gonna continue ripping higher. That's just how it is, all-time highs. But so we come down, fill all this in, and we get this 2-minute inversion right here. It actually inverts on this candle on MNQ, but if we look at NQ, you can see. Oops, I had it on here. But you can see that on NQ, it literally did not inverse to the tick. So that's why I didn't enter off of this one. And then if we look at the next candle, is where I entered. Right there. And yeah, this is an invalid inversion in my opinion because of how this candle is formed. So if we actually look at this candle, we can see that the top wick is 16 points. And the body is 5 points. So this is just showing signs of rejection, right? If we actually bring this down to 1 minute and we come like this, we can see. So this is the first minute of this 2-minute candle, and then at the end of this 2-minute candle is one price pushed down. So we came up, and then right at the end of this 2-minute candle, we pushed down. Even if we come down to the 30-second time frame to see this easier. So this is the beginning of this 2-minute candle. We're up here, in the back half, and then even look at this 30-second candle. It comes all the way up and then pushes all the way right back down. So this shows that this is not a strong inversion because it pushed down right before closing above the gap. So when I saw this, I should have said, okay, I'm not taking this because of this inversion, because of this candle being invalid. But I didn't do that, and I don't know why, to be honest. I just didn't like realize it, I guess. It happened too fast. I'm like, okay, inverse, I'm in. And then as we all saw, I instantly stopped out. And yeah, that was it for the day. Yeah. So it wasn't like a horrible trade. If you took this, don't be like, oh my God, like this is not like the worst trade in the world. But this is something that I wish I did not take. Obviously, I mean, I say that now. But yeah, I feel like I knew I shouldn't have taken this even when I entered, or after I entered, because I realized that this candle was not good. Also, another thing, after I entered, I could have went break even at this new internal high right here, and it would have been a break even trade. My break even was right here at this high. Um, so I could have gone break even there, and it was just been a break even trade. But this trade should have never been taken in the first place. So that is trade recap for today and why I lost. So it's okay though. Just learn from it. I'll journal it, learn from it, and just try not to make this mistake again.